Hello students, today we are going to see lesson number 7, the mail merge. Through the mail, we can send multiple messages in MS Word. Let's see. First, we are going to see mail merge document.
The body of the standard letter to be sent to all recipients is called the main document. It also contains the required fields names for carrying out the merge process. Data source stores information to be brought into the main document. It is also called the data file. It has some variable data such as first name, last name of a recipient and the postal pin code of the place he/she belongs to. The header row is the first row of the table. It records collection of variable data regarding a person or a thing.
Now we are going to see creating the main document.
The data documents holds the text that repeats for all merged documents. MS Word offers the following types of documents. Letters. This option is used for composing and designing mass mailing for which only the recipient information varies. Email messages. This option is used to send a personalized email to each recipient. Envelopes. This option is used for producing envelopes. Label. This option is used to print sheets of labels. Directory. This option is used to print a catalog or any other document that requires printing multiple records per page.
Now we are going to see choosing your data source.
Once you have selected the type of mail merge, you can make your recipient list or data source. The various steps to select your recipients list. Click on the Select Recipients button from the Start Mail Merge group of the Mailing tab. A drop-down menu containing various options appear. Type New List. When this option is selected, a new address list dialog box appears. Enter the names and addresses of all recipients in the dialog box and click on the OK button. The Save Address List dialog box appears. Enter the file name and click on the Save button. Mail Merge Recipients dialog box is used when you do not want to use the entire database. Use Existing List. When this option is selected, the Select Data Source dialog box appears. Navigate My Data Sources folder in Documents Library to select a data source file and click on the Open button. If you have an MS Excel worksheet or MS Access database or another type of data file, click on Use Existing List and then locate your worksheet or database file in the Select Data Source dialog box and click on Open button. Select from Outlook Contacts. If you want to use your contact list in Outlook, click on Select from Outlook Contacts and follow the instructions given in Microsoft Outlook dialog box.
Now we are going to see editing the recipient list.
In MS Word, you have the options to select, modify and control your data. On clicking the Edit Recipient List from the Mailing tab, a Mail Merge Recipients window appears. From this window, you can select or deselect an individual recipient. You can sort out or filter items in the list.
Now we are going to see writing and inserting merge document.
Once you have created your recipient list, you will be able to make the merge document while typing the letter. For this, click on Insert Merge Field button from Write and Insert Field group of Mailing tab. A drop-down menu appears. Select the option you want to choose to insert. Repeat the process until you have inserted all the fields. Complete the letter and save it with a new name.
Now we are going to see previewing the merge document.
The various steps to preview the merge document are: Step 1. Click on the Preview Results button in the Preview Results group of the Mailing tab. It helps you to navigate through the recipients in the data document. Step 2. You can search for a specific recipient in the data list by clicking on the Find Recipient button from the Preview Results group of the Mailings tab. A find in the field box appears on the screen. On filling the required information in the box, the first record that matches the search criteria appears on the screen.
Now we are going to see finishing the merging process.
By merging the data document with the data source, you can create a printed result, a saved document, or an email document. You can complete your mail merge by clicking on the Finish and Merge option from the Finish group of the Mailing tab and selecting one of the options from the drop-down menu.
Today we have learned mail merge document, how to create document and many other things. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.